Here's Azra in Mommy's boots. Can you walk in those, Azra?
No.
No? How come? Why can't you walk? Are they too big?
No, they're not too big, too small.
They're too small. Really? Would you like them to be a little bit bigger? Do we wear those boots on a sunny day?
No.
What kind of days do we wear those boots?
On rain.
On rainy days. And what else do you take with you on rainy days?
Boots.
Boots. And what else do you wear?
Raincoat.
Raincoat? What kind of raincoat do you have?
Black.
A black one? I thought it was a kind of bug. Isn't it a kind of bug?
No.
No, really? Do you have, what else do you take out on a rainy day?
Umbrella.
Umbrella? Do you have an umbrella?
Yeah. It's orange.
Is it orange? Really?
Yeah.
Do you like carrying that umbrella?
Yeah. I like my rain hat.
You like your rain what?
Hat.
Hout?
Hat.
Hout? What's a hout? What's a hout?
That's my boots.
Are those your boots? Really? Whose boots are those? I? They're yours? But they're too small, I thought. Are they too small?
No, yeah.
Yeah? Nope, yeah? What do you want to do today, Miss Botchvich?
Boots.
You just want to wear the boots. Is that's your activity for the day?
Activity for the day.
What else would you like to do? Any other thoughts, activities you might like to do?
That's my boots.
Oh. What do you want to eat today?
Tavaki.
Chavapi! What else?
Mama.
Mema. Just mema and chavapi, huh? What else do you like to eat some days? What are your favorite foods? There you go. You're getting in and out of those boots pretty nicely for such small boots. You need some help?
No, I don't need.
You can do it all by yourself? How come you can do it all by yourself? Are you a baby?
No.
No.
I'm a baby.
You're a baby. Hi.
Casey.
Yeah, you can see. Do you want to see?
Yeah.
Okay.
Take off my boots.
Take off your boots. What do you want to do today? Look, come on, let's figure out an activity. What should we do?
Take off my boots.
Say hi, Azra.
Hi.
What else do you want to tell yourself?
Raincoat.
It's a sunny day, though, isn't it? Who was your patient at the doctor's office just now? Did you have a patient?
Yeah.
Who was your patient?
Quinn.
Quinn? What happened to Quinn? Did Quinn fall down?
No.
What happened? Did he hurt his head?
Yeah.
I thought he hurt his... What's that? Didn't he hurt his arm?
No.
No? Okay. I'm going to turn the movie off, okay? Can you say bye?
Bye.
Bye, movie.
Bye, movie.
Azra. Have a good day. Ciao. Hey, ciao.
Say go, say go.
You spinning around? Can you dance for me? Somebody behaves like a good 2-year-old should. Okay, ciao.